Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore EV charger reimbursement submissions with NREL guides, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all necessary documentation related to your EV charger reimbursement. Visit the National Renewable Energy Laboratory, or NREL, website to access their specific guides for reimbursement submissions. Next, locate the section that details the EV charger reimbursement process. Read through the guidelines carefully to understand eligibility requirements. Check for any updates or changes in the submission process that may have occurred since your original submission. Prepare your reimbursement forms according to the latest instructions provided by NREL. Ensure all required documents are included, such as invoices, proof of payment, and installation details. Organize your documents in a clear and logical order to facilitate easy review. Fill out the reimbursement form completely, paying attention to the accuracy of all information provided. Double-check for any errors or missing information that could delay processing. Once your forms are complete, print them out for submission. Consider creating digital copies of all documents for your records. Submit your reimbursement request via the method specified in the NREL guidelines. If submitting by mail, use a reliable service to ensure your documents arrive safely. Retain a copy of your submission confirmation for reference. Monitor the status of your reimbursement request by following any tracking guidelines provided by NREL. Be prepared to respond to any additional requests for information from the reviewing team. Finally, keep an eye on your account or mailbox for updates regarding your reimbursement status. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.